Hello, fellow traders. You're welcome again to this is Forex analysis. I am still your boy HB 200FX during Forex trader who has joined a mission anytime I see any pair, and that mission is always to decompress far decomplicate it. I've come to share my ideas concerning Eurgbp, Euro versus British pound. I am looking to buy this pair, but as a trader, if you have been following me, you will understand that before I click any buy or any sell, what is called the 4Ws, or to be sorted out and sorted out effectively. These 4Ws are the 4 questions that are meant to be answered before I can buy or I can sell. And what are the 4Ws? They are: number one, why is it that I am looking to buy this pair? What is the substantial evidence of buying this pair? Where will I buy this pair? And lastly, and not the least, is when to buy this pair. Fellow traders, as you journey with me to the multi time frame, you will understand all the reasons behind my preparation to buy this pair euro pound. And now this is the multi time frame. Now, what is happening in the multi time? Before I can say any, let me first of all show you the zones. These are the zones in this multi time frame. This is the monthly upper zone, this is the midway zone, and this is lower zone. What is happening in this price? What is this price trying to do? This price is what? It is a downtrend. How is this a downtrend? This is a question you may ask. It is a downtrend because it is giving us what? A lower low and lower highs. Let us start from here. The price came down and gave us lower low. It went up for lower high. It came down again for equal lows. Now the price now is going up for equal highs. You see, but when you look careful, what can you see? We are seeing what? An evening star. When this price get to um this midway zone initially, this resistance level, it gave us a morning star. Technically, this morning star ought to bring this price down to this level. But unfortunately for the sellers, this evening star was unable to bring the price back to equal lows. What is happening now? The bulls are coming in to take this price again back to equal highs before any other decision will be achieved. This is what the bulls are trying to do, because you can see they are just coming in with a strong bullish candle. You understand? So from this monthly time frame, it is telling us to do what? To capitalize with the bulls so that we can reach this place of sensitivity, which is the equal highs again, before any other thing will be achieved. So this is what this monthly time frame is telling us. But as free traders, are we just going to conclude to buy this pair from this monthly time frame only? No, we have other time frame to verify from, and this is what we are coming to weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, now what is happening in this weekly time frame? I will again show you the zones in the weekly time frame. Now these are the zones in this weekly time frame. This is the weekly upper zone, the midway zone, and the lower zone. What is happening? The price is a downtrend at the weekly time frame. Look at the price when it gets to this higher low. You understand? The bulls failed. Instead, they gave us what? The sellers bring the price down to lower low. But when you look carefully, where is the price? The price is at the weekly resistance level. And we know quite all right that weekly resistance level carries a lot of sellers pressure. Why then are we looking to buy this pair? There is not much to say in this weekly time frame. So this is why we need to take it to other time frame for more understanding, so that we can be able to understand the chart easily. Now this is the daily time frame. Again, this is the daily upper zone, the midway zone, and the lower zone. Now we can clearly see the price action in this daily time frame. Now when we look carefully, what has happened? What just happened is that the daily time frame, the resistance level is just broken. Since the resistance level of this monthly time frame is just broken, where is the price heading to? The price is heading to next place of sensitivity, which is to create a daily higher high before it will come back to daily higher low technically, because this is how the price moves technically. So this daily time frame is showing us what? That the price is broken above the resistance level. So, and we know quite all right that daily resistance level is very strong. So for a price to break above it, it is indeed a great movement. So this daily time frame is showing us the reasons, or rather one of the reasons why this pair is needed to buy, because it has broken above the daily resistance level. So let us take it to 4H for final entry. That is for final analysis, when I will show you when to enter this pair. And now this is 4H, and we can still see 4H still is a downtrend, is an uptrend. You understand? It started from here, it gave us higher high, higher low, equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows, and finally it has broken above the resistance level at the 4H. You understand? The same thing we saw at the daily. The price is again broken above the 4H resistance level. It has given us another higher high. What will happen? Price will come down for higher low. What are you going to do then? If the price come down for higher low, it is coming down. It will definitely come down to this higher low. Anytime you see, you'll be waiting for what? For a bullish engulfing candle, significant pin bar, or a morning star. If any of this candle is spotted at this level, you can gently buy this pair, because technically it has to buy. You know that I am a technical trader. I focus on the technicalism of the price movement. Whatever that happens in the fundamental does not concern me. This is who I am in the industry. So I focus only on the technicalism of the price motivity. So what are we waiting for? We will wait for the price to come down and spot at this 4K support level. Wait for bullish words, bullish signals, which are bullish engulfing candle, significant pin bar, or a morning star. If you can spot any of these candles at this level, fellow traders, you can gently buy this pair, because technically it has to buy. In as much that we are looking to buy this pair, or rather this price, can as well become non-essential. How will this become non-essential? It can become non-essential if the price gets here and the seller still bring it back to this level. You understand? So this is why we buy or we sell with candle confirmation. You understand? It can as well become non-essential, because the sellers may come at this level and decide to bring it back to this level. If the price come to this level, so this marks this pair non-essential for our entry. But as far as when this price get to this level, you can spot any of our candles for buying. You can gently buy this pair, because technically it just has to buy. It is heading to this place of sensitivity, which is the next higher high. This is the full and final technical analysis on this pair, Euro British pound. Do not forget the code. Do not risk all you've got in one trade, because the most beautiful setup is yet to come. I wish each and every one of you a good Wednesday morning from West Africa. God bless you and see you soon. I wish each and every one of you a profitable day. See you soon in another video.